You're watching CKWS News at Noon.
Nice to see you on this Tuesday afternoon. Yeah, you're going to be needing an umbrella again today, and keep it close by because you'll be dealing with some rain Wednesday and Thursday as well. Only climbing to 9 degrees. We're looking at around 2 to 4 millimeters of rain for Kingston, and then slipping to 7 degrees late evening. And pretty much the same thing is on tap for tomorrow with those cooler temperatures and more rain. At least we're not dealing with some snow. That's what this area is in northern Ontario. Snowfall warnings. We're not dealing with any snow, just some rain. Again, 2 to 4 millimeters of rain for much of the region. Belleville climbing to 9 degrees today, and then 8 on Wednesday, 8 on Thursday. 5 to 10 millimeters of rain tomorrow, and then around half that amount for Thursday. Brockville, good morning to you. 9 degrees today and tomorrow. A cool high of just 7 on Thursday. And again, yeah, rain each day. 1 to 2 millimeters today, and then 5 to 10 millimeters tomorrow. Keep that umbrella handy. Smiths Falls, not a bad day for you. You hit double digits, and you even see some sunshine. A trace amount of rain if you do see any, and then 8 degrees for Wednesday and for Thursday, 5 millimeters both days. Here's how Kingston's next 5 days are looking. Things improving by the weekend, but getting there. Some cool days and rain each day. Today, 9 degrees the high, 8 for tomorrow, 8 on Thursday, 10 millimeters of rain for tomorrow and indeed Thursday. And then Friday, enjoy some sustained periods of sunshine as we climb to 12 degrees, and then well above average for Saturday. It's looking fantastic, getting to 16 and a whole bunch of sunshine.
Your full forecast is brought to you by Dory and Jesse Insurance Brokers. Car, home, and business insurance. Let us find you the value you deserve.
The wet and windy conditions continue for a couple more days. It may diminish at times, and that cloud tried to break up a little bit today. Saw a glimmer of blue sky, a little bit of sunshine. But it is short-lived as more depressions build in the west and head our way. And you'll see that with our surface analysis map in just a moment. It's not over yet. But when it does end, we're hoping to grab onto some sunshine and hang on to it for a few days, and some better temperatures too. Below normal for everybody today. 9 for high in Kingston, Brockville, 8 in Smiths Falls, 10 in Ottawa. Belleville also had a 10, 8 in Peterborough, 8 in Oshawa, and Toronto as well. 12 is now the seasonal average for Kingston. So 9, yeah. A lot of people complaining about this, and it feels a little cooler too because those winds have been fairly strong. They've diminished today, this afternoon, early evening. South-southwest 7 kilometers per hour reported at the top of the hour, and 81% relative humidity. So that air mass is still pretty moist. 8 millimeters of rain on top of that 21 you had yesterday, and there's more yet to come as we see more low pressure pushing through the region, and they've been doing that dance. You know, to the north we had that little mixing bowl up here, but that cold air on those cold fronts just pushed that whole trend down into the Great Lakes Basin now, and so but you're still got the same trend. It's just repositioned itself, and because of that, those cold fronts has beat down the temperature, those daytime highs into single digits now. So these lows continue to do this little dance, one swallowing up the other, some of them dissipating, being replaced by another, and they just keep spinning around, some of them going retrograde and then moving right back in, wrapping around. And so the next low will push through tomorrow. We see that probability diminish a little bit through the evening and overnight, and then it picks back up again tomorrow. We have another low in the north and a trough pushing through for Thursday, which is going to bring you showers and blustery conditions once again. However, high pressure in the south pushing in for Friday. It's going to give us some decent conditions, sunshine, and some warmer temperatures back to double-digit daytime highs. And over the next week, we'll see well above normal as we see some spots in eastern Ontario nearing 20 Celsius this late in October. Unreal. We'll get to that shortly. So this is where we're sitting now and why we're hanging on to that probability of precipitation tonight. It diminishes a bit. It almost looks like it might clear through the overnight, but then by morning we're back into it again. Heavy at times. You can see there's some more intense shower activity associated with this. And as this trough continues to move through, another low comes in behind it for Thursday, sweeping through with that second trough. And that's going to bring you rain, widespread showers, not that on and off pop-up stuff. And yeah, it could be heavy at times. So keep the wellies and the raincoat, the umbrella, all that handy for now, and a nice sweater underneath because those cooler temperatures stay with us. Belleville Wednesday and Thursday highs of 8. Friday you're up to 13 degrees and a mix of sun and cloud. About time, right? Brockville up to 9 degrees tomorrow. 90% probability of showers still on the windy side. South 30 gusting to 50 km. Thursday a high 7 with showers again, and Friday a mix of sun and cloud and a high of 14 degrees. Very nice. Smiths Falls a high of 9 and a 70% chance of showers. For Thursday a high of 8, still 80% probability, and then Friday a mix of sun and cloud, and you'll get your double-digit daytime high too. High of 13 degrees. Kingston, your 5-day forecast, a high of 8, 90% probability of more southerly winds gusting to 50 kilometers per hour. For Thursday, it's a high of 8 and, yes, more rain. But by Friday, we hope to see some clearing, a high 13, a mix of sun and cloud. And check those temperatures out over the weekend. A high of 17, mainly sunny. And for Sunday, a high of 18 and a mix of sun and cloud. Fantastic weekend conditions, if we can just keep it that way. Now your weather wallpaper.
It's kind of sad to think that it has come to this, that they have to do this, but hopefully it makes things a little better for their staff. That is our Tuesday evening report. Thanks for watching. Good night. Through a bit more wet weather, it looks like there'll be a pot of gold at the end of this week. Take us into your 7-day forecast.
Yes, very nice conditions in the near future. For now, wet and windy and cool too. Still a 90% probability of showers and periods of rain over Wednesday and Thursday. Little on the blustery side too. But Friday, things start to shape up. A high 13, back to double-digit daytime highs, and it stays that way for a while. In fact, those temperatures keep rising. A mix of sun and cloud Friday, mainly sunny Saturday with a high 17. Highs of 18 over Sunday and Monday, and even more sunshine. A mix of sun and cloud on Tuesday and a high of 17 degrees. Very nice conditions.
Pretty impressive for this this time of year, I'll say. Yeah. All right. We'll be right back.
Your full forecast is brought to you by Dory and Ckws Insurance Brokers. Car, home, and business insurance. Let us find you the value you deserve. You're watching CKWS News at 11.
I know some of you are getting sick of the wind and the rain, and we still have a couple more days of it for you. But when it's over, when all of these lows, this sort of, it all started up here last week with this, where the cold air was meeting the milder air, and that colder air just keeps sinking down, beating back that warm tropical air in the south. And now we're still getting the same weather pattern, but it's right over the Great Lakes Basin, about to track out to Atlantic Canada, where you get this series of lows that just keep taking their turn, beating us down and beating those temperatures down. Wet and windy conditions for at least a couple more days. But as we roll into Friday, you're going to find that this high pressure that's sort of moving through the south is going to start to clear things up. This low will move on with its trough, and we're going to see some pretty decent conditions, and it could last for a while. High pressure is going to build by Friday, a much better day and better temperatures. 13 back to double digits. You got a cool 8 over Wednesday, and again on Thursday as the rain continues. Belleville, the southerly winds about a 20 to 40 tonight and tomorrow. Brockville, a high of 9 tomorrow. Cloud with showers again. Southerly winds gusting to 50. Thursday you're up to 8 with a 90% probability of showers, and Friday you'll get back up to double digits, a high 13 and a mix of sun and cloud. Smiths Falls, high of 9 tomorrow. Shower activity continuing at 70% probability. Southerly winds 20 kilometers per hour, gusting to 40, and Thursday you rise to 8 Celsius, 80% chance of showers and rain. Friday it's a high 13, mix of sun and cloud. Everybody's seeing that little improvement on Friday, and look, it doesn't stop there. Very nice conditions. A rainy Wednesday and Thursday with winds up and down, but then Friday a mix of sun and cloud, a high 13. 17 Saturday mainly sunny, mix of sun and cloud on Sunday with a high of 18. Can't believe we're getting 18 this late in October. Again on Monday with sunshine, and Tuesday a mix of sun and cloud, a high of 17.